Hi guys, these are our vocabulary words for Encyclopedia Brown. Amphibians. Cold-blooded, moist-skinned, scaleless animals with backbones that live underwater until they develop lungs for living on land. These are the type of amphibians that you might be able to find. Crime. An activity that is against the law, undertaken by a criminal. So a thief or a robber is a criminal and they probably commit a crime. Exhibit. Display or public showing. This is an art exhibit. Some of you did an art piece that was in the art exhibit at school. Lizards. Long-bodied, cold-blooded reptiles with tails, movable eyelids, and usually with 4 legs. Some have no legs and look like snakes. So this worm is a type of a lizard, and he has no legs, so he looks kind of like a snake. Reference. Used for information or help. A dictionary could be a good reference to finding the definition to some words. Reptiles. Cold-blooded animals with backbones and lungs, usually covered with horny plates or scales. So these are type of reptiles. The crocodile, it would fall into the horny plates because of the little pricklies they have on them. The iguanas also have them, and the chameleons. Salamanders. Animals shaped like lizards but related to frogs and toads with moist, smooth skin that live in water or damp places. Oh, look at this beautiful salamander. Stumped means you're puzzled or you really have no clue. This boy here looks stumped. He doesn't understand. He's puzzled or stumped. Thanks for watching.